Okay guys. Now
it's
a new spot,
yeah. Take team back. It's another spot we're doing. And look, it's a little bit clear too.
Yeah, look how many
It's an army of goose over there.
goose over there. Patke.
Yeah.
Look how many? 50 maybe.
There's a reinforcement, about 50 of them.
Okay, let's go.
They're gonna be
Try
our
it
audience
first.
today. Okay guys. And right away I see something right here. From right here. That's a pipe.
Oh, this pipe.
Yeah.
Alright.
See what tip. Yeah. What else we can find?
I will put in bucket. There you go.
Yep, something.
Something got it. Nešto ima.
I haven't been here in a long time. What is this?
Another one.
Another pipe. Look at this thing. Hey guys.
Šta mogu ti lakše? Oh, that's black. Look.
It's all dirty and sludge.
There you go.
Touch my lip and leave one.
There we go. Sunce udarilo.
Scratch.
There we go.
Got a piece of scrap, super thin.
Yep.
Okay guys.
Okay guys,
Just
maybe
some little
have
weight. Something a little bit heavy. Oh, what is this? Something heavy. You see this, right?
Yeah.
Whoa! Dang!
3 stop. 4, 5, what the hell?
Found this thing. Some type of
something.
bolt and bracket.
Alright, old bolt.
Yeah. More of these little rail things. God, that was heavy. See guys,
Look how you this.
it's a lot of junk.
Too big.
Look at that.
It's got bolt. Alright. Again something.
Another one. What are these things?
Komad željeza.
What is this stuff? These little real looking things.
Karin, nije.
Wasn't
Screw
it grass?
something.
I don't know. Long range.
Yep. All the way down. Alright. Let's go see here something. Da vidimo malo šta.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, let's go see.
Sorry guys about the sun. Nothing.
Alright. Okay
Found
guys.
a piece of metal. That's a type of nail.
Yeah. Xers.
Yeah.
Alright. new, something like this. Oh. All right.
Nothing.
Nothing. Let's go see.
Nothing.
All right. My turn now.
Okay guys, my dad's throw and his big magnet. I don't want to face right because there's a sun glaring the water, so I'm going to go my face left much as I can. But you can definitely see it's a little bit clearer on this side. Piece of metal.
Nail.
Something. Good stuff we found so far. Just a second. Back in, nothing in that throw. Okay guys, I think he has something on this throw. Nope, nothing. Usually it starts to bubble. Just a second. Okay guys, found something small.
Bolt.
It's like a nut.
No, it's bolt.
Something. Okay guys, here's one more another throw. See if we catch anything. Perfect, okay. It's sunny over there. This magnet usually finds everything. Hey guys, it's a little like a clay bed in this little creaky ditch area. Yes. Yep. Dang. Oh, it's a type of metal. Dang.
Angle something.
Yeah. Just a second, guys. See, look, here's my shoe. There's that magnet. Huge. Yeah, guys, there's a big bubble over there. Okay, it's probably something heavy. Wow. Yep, yeah, something's bubbling a little bit. Try to zoom in. Oh, yeah. Whoa, what is that? What the heck?
No idea.
If somebody can later on comment tell us what this is, we'll be glad.
I need a trip with Camiona.
Oh, wait a minute. It could be a radiator cap from a semi or something in the engine, right?
Oh, look, you lucky.
Oh, and a... I don't know. Okay, and a lock. What the heck?
Another locker.
A lock, yeah. Dang.
Somebody maybe pull out piece and
broke into.
Open, yeah. Tank, that's a lock. I think the same piece right here.
Wow.
Yeah, right here.
Wow, guys, that was wedged in there. See,
Right
this
here.
magnifies everything. I swear, deep in that sludge.
There you go.
Wow, nice. Okay, guys, I think my dad's having some trouble pulling this thing out.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah, it could be a rock or something.
Yeah, rock, see that.
Oh, nothing. Okay. Okay, guys, another throw. Just a... Okay, guys, I think my dad has something, he said. Yes. What is that? Some piece of metal? Wow. It's curved.
Oh, come on, железо.
Yeah, piece of metal. Look how heavy he's starting to get. Weighs at least a good 15 pounds in his bucket. Okay, guys. Anything? There's nothing in that throw. Oh, that sounds like a rock. Solid. Just a second. Okay, guys, starting to bubble a little bit. It's a little bit deeper here. Nothing. Okay, guys, just a second. Okay, guys,
That's something.
I think he.
Look how you heavy.
It's starting to bubble. Look at that. Oh.
What is this?
Whoa! What the heck? What type of washers? 3 in 1? Oh, that's to a railroad. The bridges. What's it doing?
And wash.
See, it goes way over there. Look how, there's no railroad over here, just a ditch. Okay, guys.
I have something. You see bubbles right here?
Starting to bubble.
Oh my
What the hell, guys?
John.
Oh my god. Is that real?
Look at that.
Oh my god, guys. Wait, what's it say? What name? What's the name say? Let me see. Marksman repeater. Oh my god, guys. Marksman repeater. Wait. What does that say? BB, or is that real? What's the Oispun? Yes, Nemo.
This way.
Just a sec.
Da vidim, da otvorim.
Okay, guys.
Ovo.
Is that real? Hold up. Okay, guys, trying to open it, see if it's a BB gun or if it's real. Is it heavy?
Yep.
Hold on just a second, guys. We believe it's an Airsoft.
I think that's BB gun. See here?
See the little cylinder? It could be a CO2 cartridge. And listen to that noise. It is a little bit heavy.
Yeah, spring.
Yeah, there's a spring inside, so it's a CO2 cartridge. It says BB on it right here. Yeah, right there, BB cal. 4.5 millimeter. Yeah, that's a BB gun. See the plastic? Yeah, guys. Yeah, okay, so it's fake. Oh my god, I thought it was real.
Same like real.
Yeah, it's a really good Airsoft. Has weight to it.
I try put
What the hell is it doing that here? Yeah, we can't take out the clip. Oh, to some ba. You put it behind here in the CO2 cartridge. It somehow goes inside. I never really shot a CO2 cartridge. I had a rifle, BB gun back in the day. That's Airsoft. See a plastic liner?
Alright, guys.
Oh, thank you, God. Just a toy. Okay, guys.
I tell you, that's big boy right here.
Best
It's
magnet.
fine, everything. There, I see.
Yeah. So push the seam right there. So the metal part is only to the sides. Okay, guys. Alright, just a second.
Alright. Starting back.
Okay, guys, leave a like and subscribe to Magnetfishing Meddling Techniques. Me and my dad. We had a good, wonderful day today. We made 2 videos, and that was very unexpected. I thought it was real. Oof.
Yeah,
The
fine.
barrel was
BB
very
gun.
small, so it's a CO2 cartridge. It said
I'll
BB,
see one more
4.5
time.
millimeter.
Yeah.
Look at the stuff we found over here in this we got plastic. And where's me? Where's me? See the plastic right here?
Yeah.
There's a liner right there and in the barrel.
Okay,
I thought
guys,
that was real.
it's my son right here, Magnet.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get ready, pack up, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, click the bell, Magnetfishing, metal detecting, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. All right, thank you, guys. Bye.